Enjoy a smoother ride. Eliminate vibrations. Bid farewell to those annoying vibrations that disrupt your driving experience. New engine mounts ensure a smoother and more comfortable ride, allowing you to enjoy the road ahead with ease. Reduce noise. Say goodbye to unwanted engine noise and rattling. With fresh engine mounts, your vehicle will operate quietly and efficiently, providing you with a serene driving environment. Skilled technicians. Our team of experienced technicians has the expertise to handle a wide range of vehicle repairs with precision and attention to detail. Quality parts. We only use genuine, high-quality parts for all repairs, ensuring durability and reliability for your vehicle's critical components. Exceptional service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. From diagnostics to repairs, we provide exceptional service and support, making your vehicle maintenance experience hassle-free and convenient. Trust our expertise for all your vehicle repair needs. Contact us 056-991-4689.